What's going on, guys? I'm coming to you live from the kitchen. Yes, this is not usually where I start videos, but I decided today we're gonna do a little bit of a one-off. We're gonna take a little break from the history and coin content and other things such that we normally do, the normal content. We're gonna take a break from it. Because I literally thought of this idea about 15 minutes ago, and we're doing it. So today we're gonna be showing you from a noob's perspective how to make scrambled eggs. Just so you guys know, I've never made scrambled eggs in my life. So if you want the best quality, this might not be your video, but it might be. We'll have to see. I just thought this would be fun to do. I'm not very good at cooking. In fact, I tried to make toast one time and almost burnt the house down. So it's very bad. But we're gonna see. I just thought we'd have some fun today, so you can watch a little short little thing. You can watch an idiot like me make eggs. So I have everything we need. I looked it up. I got my guy here, my recipe for this disaster. But I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. And I'm just gonna film because I'm also hungry. So and scrambled eggs sound pretty good, I guess. Not really, but they sound all right. So I got this skillet thing. Actually, I don't know if this is the right thing or not, but we're gonna use it for the skillet. We also have this and a bowl to put the eggs in. So, according to the recipe here, we also need, sometimes you need salt and pepper, but I couldn't find that, so we're just gonna not do that for this recipe. But we are gonna use butter and eggs. So I'm gonna get the butter and eggs out from the refrigerator. Oh, I also got a mitten because I might burn myself, and I don't want to burn myself, so we're not gonna do that. But yeah, the main reason I'm doing this video is because I'm involved in a musical theater production throughout the next 5 days, and so I'm not gonna have much time the rest until next week to make content. So just thought we'd do something a little bit. Will you shut up, cat? I'm not letting you outside, Oliver. Don't even think about it. Yeah, Oliver's down here. If you guys want to see him, he wants let out. He's down there again. But yeah, so I got the recipe pulled up on my laptop. You're also gonna need butter and eggs, if you couldn't tell. So I'm gonna move the camera around. Let me move this down so that way you can actually see. Put on my chef's hat. We're gonna get started. So, that's not a put that on. Fine, I'll let you out, cat. Jeez. Alright, we don't have to hear him crying in the video. Alright, so let's get started before the eggs get cold. Alright. See how we do this here. So they recommend we use about 2 to 3 eggs. We're just gonna use 2 because I don't want to waste them, because inflation's real in this economy and eggs are expensive, so we're just gonna use 2. Oh, I also need a whisk as well. I forgot to grab that. It's a tool. Should have had that somewhere down here. I don't know where they keep the tools. Here we go. You're gonna need one of these bad boys as well. This is gonna be another essential item that you're gonna need. Actually, that one's kind of small. We got some weight. We got some better options back there. This one looks pretty legit. We'll use this one. This one looks. That one looks better. I was thinking about it. You're also gonna need a wooden spoon as well. I should have one in here. You do not need a pizza roller, so that's good. Where's this wooden spoon at? I need something to stir this with. I need something to stir. Oh, the drawer ain't put that in. Okay, there we go. Oh, here we go. We'll just use a plastic. Good enough. You're also going to need a spoon to stir things with. And that's about it. Apparently it takes 3 to 5 minutes. So, I'm going to move the camera around. We're going to see what's going on. Right here, we're going to stir them. Okay? So I don't know if this is what you're supposed to do, but we're gonna see if I can crack an egg. I haven't done this in a while. That one doesn't look too good. So got these from the store, so hopefully I can crack it. Let's see how this goes. Well, I'll just stand back here a little bit. We need to prepare myself. All right, here we go, guys. So we're gonna crack this. Hopefully this goes well. No turning back. Oh, I got it. All righty. Let's crack an egg. Set that there. Yummy. All right, let's do this one. That looks really weird in there. Got the open him right. Boom. All right. That one did not go well, but there's our eggs. So we're going to scramble these bad boys and eat them. So what you got to do next is you got to take this whisk and stir them. Stir them up. We might need another one. Yeah, this will be good for now. We might need to add another one. I'll say we add another one. More the merrier, you know. Oh, hopefully I don't get any shell in this. Probably been a bad decision. All right. Get the shell in there. Yummy. We're just going to do 3 because, you know, whatever. Okay, you got to stir these up, mix the yolk together. That's what I'm doing. This looks really disgusting, but we're just going to keep going. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it's so yucky. But that's that. Okay, just so you know, I don't have to eat it if I don't like it, so that's good. Thing on. Alright, so it's steaming. We're going to go ahead and add some butter. Alright, so I'm going to get some out. For reference, here is the butter that I'm using. How do I open this? Alright, here we go. Okay, let's figure out what we want to use. Said about a tablespoon, so we'll use one of those ice cream things. That's probably about enough butter. So scoop it right there. That's probably pretty good. Might be a little too much. Might be a little too little. I don't really know. So I think what we're gonna do is just pop it in here. All right, I'm gonna need, make sure I don't burn myself. I'm gonna need some. Make sure I don't burn myself here. Yeah, that ain't moving. Oh, great. Oh, it is melting. Oh, I don't want to touch that hand. Oh, here we go. All right, steaming. Okay, so we got it in the butter. So there's the butter. All right, so now what we need to do is we need to add the eggs, I believe. Butter is roasting. We're going to pour the eggs in now. Very carefully, so I don't miss. Very high chance I will. Boom, there we go. Oh, I missed a little bit there. All right, that's probably good. Ooh, that's gross. Okay. Man, these poor babies, chickens never got to live. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. It's probably not really what it's supposed to look like, but that's what it looks like for me. All right, I'm not touching that without my mitt. Oh, I gotta turn the burner to low now. Because it's big bubbles in there we probably don't want to see. All right, so now what we gotta do. Stir and cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. So we're gonna take this spoon right here and we're gonna stir. Oh, hey, it's actually coming out a little bit nicely. Look, it's actually scrambled eggs. I'm not even kidding, guys. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at it. Man, they're pretty white. Ooh, okay. It's pretty good, guys. Look at that. Maybe a little more in there. Set for about 3 or 4 minutes, so it's actually coming out pretty nicely there. Probably like them a little burnt. I'd say I actually cooked something, guys. This is crazy. Look at that, man. Look at all that. It's pretty good. Guys, there's a secret recipe that no one tells you about. They need to put in your scrambled eggs. Pringles! Yeah, there we go. That's how we do it. Here it is, guys. Smash it up in there at the eggs. This is the secret recipe to the best scrambled eggs in town. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, it is time to dig in. Shouldn't wear a hat at the table. So we have the scrambled eggs we just made poured on a plate. I got my grape jelly because everybody knows the only real way to eat scrambled eggs is with jelly because it makes them 10 times better. It's an amazing thing. Jelly's so good. There we go. I'm gonna load on a bunch on my plate. All right, that's probably pretty good. Oh yeah, looks real nice right there. That's how you eat. Say do it. If you have not tried the jelly on your eggs before, I highly recommend. All right, let's see how I did. It's my first time ever making anything. Actually not too bad. Kind of soggy. Probably should have had that seasoning to it. It's basically my dinner for the night, so let me know if that helped you guys out. Well, with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe. And this is a historic moment. Basically the first ever meal I've cooked. So, besides microwave stuff. And, yeah. Pretty good. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Wah!